Tappy activated. Fast progress and turbo strategy. That's a topic for a current video about Tappy Town. Let's plug in and start decrypting this electrifying theme. Gems are your ticket to faster progress. Here's how you can use them. Time price. Every second counts. You can use gems to reduce the time required for any upgrade. The cost is calculated per second, so the longer the wait, the more gems you'll need. Shortening upgrade time. Not in the mood to spend gems? No problem. You can also watch ads to trim down those upgrade times without spending a single gem. Purchasing additional builders. Need more hands on deck? Use gems to buy additional builders and get those upgrades rolling simultaneously. Each time you enter the game, your blocks balance will be recalculated and displayed. This ensures you always know exactly how many blocks are in your arsenal, ready for your next upgrade. Let's turbocharge your Tappy Town strategy with some tips. Efficient use of builders. Always aim to keep your builders busy. If you're serious about growing your town, consider investing in more builders as you progress. Idle builders? No way! Strategic upgrades. Focus on houses that unlock new opportunities. And don't forget about your Tapflix house. Keep it leveled up by watching videos so your progress doesn't stall elsewhere. Gems management. Be smart with your gems. Prioritize using them to shorten upgrade times for critical buildings or save up for additional builders when things get busy. Keep an eye on your blocks balance. Regularly check your blocks balance to make sure you've got enough for the upgrades you're eyeing. Running low? Time to focus on earning more. There you have it, digital friends. A crash course in the basic rules for playing and succeeding in Tappy Town. Remember, it's all about balance. Managing your gems, blocks, and builders to keep your town growing and thriving. Attention! Quick reminder to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to stay educated and entertained with TapSwap and me, Tappy. See you after reconnecting. Happy tapping. Tappy deactivated.